Hello, good evening, my friends. How are you all? Fine. Okay, welcome to second class English. Today we are going to learn an interesting lesson, animals and their sounds. Okay, lions roar. Lions roar. Mice squeak. Mice squeak. Hens cluck. Hens cluck cluck. Cats mew. Cats mew. Birds chirp. Birds chirp. Okay, let us hear the sounds of these animals. Okay, at the end of this video I will give you an assignment. Match the animals with their sounds. Okay, all of you do them and WhatsApp me. Okay guys, now match the animals with their sounds. Lion, mice, hens, cats, birds. Squeak, mew, chirp, cluck, roar. You write these in your book and match them and WhatsApp me. Okay, bye.